Understanding the W sound. Practice. Words like west and water. The English language is full of unique sounds that can vary greatly depending on the letters used to create them. One such sound that can be tricky to master is the W sound.
Represented by the letter W in words like west, water, and work. This sound is produced by pressing your lips together and allowing air to pass through, creating a slight vibration. To practice this sound, let's take a look at some common words that feature the W sound. 1. Water. This word not only contains the W sound, but also includes the letter A, which gives a contrasting long vowel sound. When pronouncing this word, make sure to emphasize the W sound at the beginning. 2. Work. Another word with the W sound. Work is used to describe the actions you perform to complete a task. Pay attention to how your lips come together to create the WW sound as you say this word aloud. 3. Window. This word combines the W sound with the short I sound in the middle, making it a great practice word for ESL students. Try saying window slowly, focusing on the W sound in the beginning. 4. Website. With the W sound at the start of this word and the I sound in the middle. Website is a useful word to practice for those learning English. Repeat this word multiple times, making sure to articulate the W sound clearly. 5. Weather. The W sound is followed by the E combination in this word, resulting in a unique pronunciation. Practice saying weather to improve your fluency with the W sound. Additional vocabulary: white, waving, warm, waiting, wild. By practicing words like west, water, and work, ESL students can become more comfortable with the W sound and improve their overall pronunciation skills. Remember to pay attention to the position of your lips and the airflow when producing this sound. And keep practicing to perfect your pronunciation.